Tucked away in the quiet town of Belihuloya is a little known gem, Pahanthudawa Waterfall. To get there, you will first head down a staircase and then cross a shallow water path. After that, the short but adventurous hike begins. When we were coming from the ticketing counter, they advised us to not to bath at the top. But we saw a lot of locals down here bathing and enjoying. So if you want to have a little fun with your friends and family, this will be the ideal place. The trail winds through a thick jungle and leads into a dried out stream bed. It's a bit rough and steep in some places, and the rocks can get slippery after rain. So it's best to be careful when hiking. We have these giant rocks from both sides covering the path, and it feels adventurous to walk on these. At the same time, it's very beautiful. At the top, you are rewarded with a peaceful view that makes the journey feel completely worth it. The name Pahanthudawa comes from the shape of the pool, which resembles the shape of an oil lamp. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a calm, soothing spot perfect for anyone who enjoys the sound of flowing water and the quiet of nature. Though it's not the biggest waterfall, it has a special charm. On a sunny day, it's an ideal place to relax, take in the scenery, and dip your feet in the cool stream, where you might even get a bit of a natural fish therapy. That said, swimming here is not safe. According to locals, several accidents have occurred in the past, so it's best to stay out of the water and simply enjoy the view. If you love discovering hidden places and don't mind a bit of a hike, Pahanthudawa is a beautiful spot to explore and reconnect with nature.